What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing these timed light switches for our bathroom fan. Super easy to do. But figured I'd make a video about it. This one is an Aspire preset timer switch. So let's go see how this works. Alright, so here's the switch that we're going to be changing out today. You can see the previous owners went ahead and labeled it for me. I appreciate that. I wouldn't have known what it was if they didn't. So what we're going to do is go ahead and remove this and put the timer switch in. Alright, so here we are with the switch in question. First thing to do before we break into this is make sure that it's off. And it is, so we're good. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Bug was on there. Holy crap. Alright. Now, let's see about taking out the rest of the switch. And for this, we're going to have to... No, it's got a flat head built in, so let's go ahead and... Oh, yeah. Alright. Splendid. Let's remove these little troglodytes. There's one. Oh, these are the vis-a-vis. I hate these types of switches because I don't know if I can get it out. Yeah! Now, you asked me the question, Dirty. You ever installed one of these switches before? And I can confidently answer, I've never installed an Aspire switch, but by God, we'll figure it out. Wire nuts. Instructions that we don't need. No, psych, we need them. Habla inglés, yeah. Alright. So hot's black, ground is green, output red. Well, here's the only thing I know to do. We know that the green goes to the bear. There's no question about that. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Alright. Alright, get your life straight, son. Straighten that out. Let's see if I can get a little bit of zoom here. Alright, so we're going to take the green and we're going to take the naked and we're going to twist them beasts together. Alright, I've got two black wires. Now I know one of them is the hot and one of them is the load, but I don't know which one's which. So guess what we're about to do? About to play the guessing game. Alright, now that those are hooked up, I'm going to run out in the garage, flip the breaker on, and see if we can turn this fan on. Okay, so I have not tested this yet, so here we go. You have to hold it. Okay, awesome. Easy enough. Okay, I'm going to run back out in the garage now and turn the breaker back off, and I'll be back in here to button this puppy up. Alright, so I turned the breaker back off. Now it's time to install this switch. Now I'm hoping all this wiring will fit in this old workbox. Let's see. Wires are so stiff. Now that's installed, I'm going to use my new GFCI outlet cover to finish off the install. Alright, so the faceplate isn't quite the same width as the old one, so there's a little bit of like a paint mismatch. But all in all, it seems pretty clean looking, and I'm super excited about being able to just kind of hit it and say, yeah, I want to evacuate this room for 60 minutes, you know, and then just be able to walk out and not have to worry about coming back and turning it off. Alright, let's see if she works.